This is the complete video of the building plan of Patel Institute of Science and Management, where this is an entry to the campus from the main road. Security room for the safety purpose. Now we move on to the entry into the campus, where we have both one the staircase and one barrier free entry to the physically challenged students. From here we have the wheelchair facility, and followed by the free entry to the students. This is the main reception, followed by the waiting area, drinking water facilities, as well as the fire. Then we move on to the administrative block, wherein the chief administrator, followed by the entire admins, the admission, the accounts, the entire administrative office with the individual cubicles for each of them. From there, as you all have seen, this is the entry. From here the students would enter to the classrooms, and from here you would see the main notice board. You would have seen the entry from this side also, the same entry. This is the main notice board for all the students, which is next to their classrooms, followed by easy access for the students for the lift. Working condition of the lift, followed by the seminar hall, where the key programs of the institution happens. From there again we move back and we show the classroom setup of each of the classrooms. Where various boards of various caste-based discrimination, sexual harassment, anti-ragging. This is the complete setup of the classroom, where 60 students can be accommodated, with all smart classroom, projector, Wi-Fi, touch screens, ACs, the complete setup. And from there we move on to, this is about POSH Act, all the notices which we have placed. Again, the classroom setup. So all the classroom setup would be on the same pattern. So if you see here, we have drinking water facility in each of the floor, followed by washrooms, and this is the sanitary pad facility for all the lady students and staffs. So in this floor, if you see, we have you must have seen the lift here. So in this floor we have 4 classrooms. You can see classroom number 3, and then this is the washroom for the gents washroom, followed by the last thing, which is 4 classrooms in this area. So classroom number 4, again the same setup for each of the classrooms, and the seminar hall, which we already saw in the beginning of this video. Now we move on to the second floor. Again you can see ragging and other displays in each of the floor. Now we move on to the second floor of the institution. This is the library of the campus, notice board, the room for physical director, where you have the physical director's room, followed by, we have finished 4 classrooms in that floor. Now we move on to other classrooms. Classroom number 5, 6, classroom number 7, classroom number 8, and then again the drinking water, the washroom facility for girls, washroom for boys, and next to the washrooms we have girls common room, the sick room, which is exclusively meant for, which we have placed in between girls common room and the boys common room, so that anything they have any quick emergencies, followed by the boys common room, and then we have again the lift in this floor. Just to confirm the operation of the lift. Quick 1 second, the lift would be on. Yeah, it is the operational lift in this floor. Again we come to the main, that is business lab, where we again have touchscreen where presentations from different faculties happen in this room. Then same way we move on to the next floor. We have seen 8 classrooms in this floor, followed by girls common room, boys common room, library, the physical director's room. Now we move on to the next floor. Where we see the staff room for the faculties, where we have language lab facilities next to the staff room, where we have a guest lecture room. Exclusively the plastic chairs will be kept on the base of the guest lecture and number of participants expected. It's a small mini room with the smart technology installed in that. Now followed with, we have finished 8 classrooms. Then classroom number 9, 10, then we have classroom number 11, classroom number 12, and then classroom number 12 with drinking water, then again girls toilet, then we have boys toilet, then we have classroom number 13, classroom number 14, then we have classroom number 15, 16, followed by again one more staff room for the faculties with notice boards in each of the floor. Now we move on in the lift itself to the ground floor, where we have so we're moving to the ground floor where we have all the key rooms. So we'll be moving down in the lift itself. Yeah, I'm moving inside the lift, and then we are moving to the ground floor. As soon as we move to the ground floor, we see the facility of computer lab facilities for all the students individually marked. From there we slowly move on. This is basically our area where we call it as a quadrangle. From there we move on to the important key rooms, as I told you. To start with, first is the storeroom, where we have important items stored. Exam room, where all the blue books, exam books are placed. Again, waiting lobby, because it's a key area. Then we have the staff room for management program, MBA department. Again, a spacious staff room where we have all the faculties seated. Followed by, next to that is the boardroom. Considering it's an important area, we have the boardroom facility for the entire program. The boardroom. Next to that is our Xerox room, where for exam purpose as question papers or anything. The HOD's room, 3 HODs of different departments, followed by the stationery and the director's room and next to that in the same is the principal's room. So in the same floor we have director, the principal, the HODs, the exam room, the staff room, the board room, the Xerox room. So all the key items are in this particular room. So that's a complete setup for Patel Institute of Science and Management. Thank you.